What's up, you guys? It's your girl Bree Janice, and I'm back again with another video. I'm going to be putting together my youngest crib. She was laying in this bassinet, but we're going to try to move her up to the crib in about the next 2 or 3 months. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to let y'all watch me do that. All right, y'all. So I got my tools, and we're going to get straight to it.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need.
Okay, guys, I finally got crib up. This is how it looks. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all. Infamil sent me a gift box. And this is what came inside of it. A gifting guide for your parenting journey and coupons. What? I'm happy because Infamil sent me a gift for Ada formula. They gave us coupons to get, ooh, $15 off of Infamil. $15 off. They gave us the bottle, the already prepped milk with a nipple. Gave us the regular can of Infamil. They gave us this one. Okay, some more little like coupons and codes and stuff to get a few things. I didn't even know they had all of this. All right, y'all, we're gonna get ready to do these gift bags for the church convention. This is over 80 bags here, and we about to do these things in there. All right, so we're ready. Set to go. Hey, Chop Chop. Hey, handsome. Hi. You gonna be in my vlog? And say hey to the vlog. Before I end this vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I already washed my face, as you can see. If y'all wanna know what I used, I might just do a separate video talking about what I use on my face and how I got my face from dry and flaky to my face scrub. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this vlog today. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos to come. And I'll see you guys in the next video.